Welcome to today's video. So, you want to dive into the world of programming, but you're faced with a common dilemma: which programming language should you learn first?
Hey everyone, today, we're going to tackle that big question. Which programming language should you learn? I'm here to guide you through some tips and tricks that'll help you make the best choice for your coding journey.
Tip 1. Define your goals.
Before picking a language, ask yourself, what do you want to achieve with programming? Are you interested in web development, mobile apps, data analysis, or something else entirely? Different languages excel in different domains.
Tip 2. Consider ease of learning.
Some languages are more beginner-friendly than others if you're new to coding. Starting with languages like Python or JavaScript can ease you into programming concepts without overwhelming complexity.
Tip 3. Community and resources matter.
The programming community is a goldmine. Look for languages with active communities, extensive documentation, and plenty of tutorials. That way, you'll have resources and support as you learn.
Tip 4. Job market and demand.
Take a peek at job listings in your area or your desired industry. Which languages are in demand? Learning a language that aligns with job opportunities can give you a competitive edge.
Tip 5. Follow your passion.
Ultimately, choose a language that sparks your interest. If a particular language excites you or aligns with your long-term goals, that passion will drive your learning journey. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. Your choice of programming language should align with your goals, interests, and the direction you want to take your coding career. That's all for today's video. I hope these tips help you in choosing the right programming language.
Don't forget to like, comment, hit the bell icon, and share for more coding tips and tricks. Also, subscribe to Coder Squad. Happy coding!